You gonna crawl? Hey, buddy. You gonna crawl? Hi. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ooh. That's a lot of weight to carry around. Woo. There. What are you saying? You're going the wrong way. You're going backwards. Hi. Ben, can you show him how to crawl? Show him how to crawl. Oh, good job. Crawl right over by him. Go lay by him. Whoa, Sayer. Sayer. Come this way. Well, that's a nice move, Ben. What are you doing?
I'm nurse.
What are you doing?
I'm here.
Ooh, nice move, Ben.